Welcome back. You will now learn how test steps are run. You have been given the go-ahead by your test manager, so let's start your test and see how we get on. Step 1 is where you access the order management system by using a web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. You can now input the URL that will take us to the login page for the order management screen. Just a little more information on URL so you know what it means. URL, or Uniform Resource Locator, like Google, is an address used to access sites on the internet. In our example, it will be the URL that is highlighted. So now we have entered the URL and committed the Enter button on the keyboard. We will navigate to the login page for the order management screen. And there it is. You can see that the first expected result is correct. The order management system loads when the URL is input to a web browser. A good start. Now we can log into the application using the user ID that was provided. Once you have done this, you are navigated to the New Customer Order option. As you can see, the second expected result is a success because after you log in, the New Customer Order option is available to select. There are two options on this screen, New and Existing Customer. You will need to select the Any W Customer option is highlighted. The final part of this test step is navigating to the Customer Details screen. We can also see that the last expected result has worked successfully because the Customer Details screen is now visible and ready to accept the required information such as name, address, and contact details. This information is entered in the next steps. So far, 3 steps have passed, but before we move on, we need to record the results. There are a couple of extra items you may wish to add to the test script for completeness. These are the actual results. And test status. The importance of recording the actual results will depend on the circumstances. If time is a constraint, then it's not always efficient to capture this information. But in safety-critical systems, it could prove to be essential test evidence. The actual results will indicate what happened when you performed a user action. The first 3 test steps all passed and everything is fine. We will deal with failures in the next few lessons. Let's see what the actual results and test status look like. The actual result in Step 1 captures the screen print and indicates the test status. You will also capture and save the customer order page in Step 2 and the customer details screen in Step 3. So far, so good. Things are going along quite nicely, and we are making good progress on this test. The question is, will we get to the end with a clean test run? Or will there be a problem that needs to be fixed? We'll find out in the next lesson. Come and join me there. Remember, all lessons are free, so please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It costs you nothing and allows me to keep creating free content for you.